if Jamaica is going to continue on the road that we have started on, to make progress, meaningful progress, on managing our plastic problem, we have to do it. There's no point in waiting around for some global treaty that is going to give us clear guidance and obligate us to do it. It really is up to us. Our fortunes are entirely in our own hands. And that is the significance of this event today.
Jamaica has decided that it will ensure that 50% of its energy comes from renewable sources by 2030. It would have just awarded, the recent bid would have just been awarded to a firm who will build a massive solar park, the largest in the Caribbean, in Trelawney. We have also just about completed the OUR licensing component for a floating solar park that will float over the Mona Reservoir, which will see some 46 megawatts of clean green energy being brought on to the grid.